Hello, welcome everyone to the Web3 education and investment. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the SundaeSwap and their ISO reward. So if you do watch my previous video, you participated in the SundaeSwap's ISO. Now the reward, you can claim them. So how to do that, I'm going to demo today. So you need to claim the reward from the drip jobs. So you should go to this website. Actually, I demoed that before, how to get free assets. Now you just need to go ahead and put your address here. Okay, so now I already put my address, and I can find the Sundae reward. I could get around 20 of them. So you could just click that and agree with the term and click the button, claim my drops. So it will redirect you to the address. So now what you should do is you should copy the address and send exactly 3 ADA to that address. While you send that, it's going to return you 1.34. So basically, you have to spend 1.65 or maybe 66 ADA. Please make sure the Sundae reward you have got would cover the fee. So each Sundae, right now you can go to their website, you can find the price here. So make sure it will cover the fee, otherwise it's better you should not claim them. So I will go to my CC Vault wallet and I will just click send. And what I should do, I should get the address. So I will copy the address and I will put it here and click next and put exactly 3 of them. So make sure it's 3, okay? So 3 ADA and then click next. So you will put your password and do sign. So it's going to send that. So it's going to send that 3 ADA to the drip jobs, and they are going to return you 1.34 ADA. And so that's how you are going to get your, okay, so you can see that it's updating. It may take a little bit time. So after a while, you can see the update. So they are going to take up to 72 hours for processing due to chain congestion. So hopefully I can get my Sundae token. Once you get that, you can go to their website and you can do the liquidity mining. So just provide the liquidity. Of course, right now I don't have any Sundae, so I cannot do anything. Once I get my Sundae, I can do the liquidity, just provide it here, and you will get some more Sundae token. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope all of you get a lot of Sundae token for the reward.